देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे
of many colors, and each color is unique and just as beautiful. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Reverend Father George, our school director, respected sister principal, sisters, and my dear teachers, a very cheerful good morning to all. Today we all stand here on the proud occasion of our nation's Independence Day. 77. But this freedom did not come easily. It was the result of decades of struggle, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication. The 78th Independence Day is an opportunity to honor our nation's journey and express our gratitude for the independence we enjoy. I express my deepest gratitude to our armed forces because they are the guardians of our independence and protectors of our territorial integrity. So let us honor the legacy of those who fought for our freedom by committing ourselves to building a stronger, more just, and more compassionate India. The flag is the embodiment not of sentiment but of history. Now I request Reverend Fathers and respected Sister Principal to please do the honor of hosting the national flag.
जन मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाए सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय है जय है जया 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 हे।
So does our spirit of patriotism and unity. May the colors of our flag inspire us to always strive for peace, progress, and prosperity for our beloved country, which was held at Haryana. Our dear sir, Mr. Justin, does his duty with full dedication and honesty, and he was rewarded with the honor by the Zonal School Tournament Committee.
Day to everyone.
Happy Independence Day, Father.
Today, we and our nation celebrate the 78th birthday, our Independence Day of our nation, our country. And for me, it is a proud moment that we are free now. 190 years we were governed by foreign rulers. We were under colonial powers. Finally, there were so many who stood against the foreign rulers, foreign governance, heroically fought against them, and finally won over them and won freedom for us. And we should be happy, and then we should be responsible to enjoy this freedom responsibly. Today we have gathered here to enjoy, to express, and to proclaim that we are no more under any foreign governance. we are on our own. This is a responsibility. As we gathered here, we hoisted the national flag. There's a meaning in that when we hoisted the national flag. We assembled here and we were holding our heads high. We are united under the national flag. We are one. We are all Indians and we stand as one. We are united under the national flag, under our nation, India. Mr. Prime Minister Modi ji has started a campaign recently, Har Ghar Tiranga, in order to respect and honor our nation by keeping the national flag in our house, to hoist the national flag in our house. Here, as a family, we gathered here and we hoisted the national flag responsibly, and we are proud that we are all free. We are united from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Manipur to Gujarat. We are all one. As we enjoy the freedom, let's also remember that we have the responsibility of showing our freedom by being responsible citizens of our nation, of our country. And I think as teachers, this is the best profession that is given to us, which we can make use of building the nation. There is no better responsibility, better job than this. We are building up our future nation. And when we are responsible teachers, we will be able to build up responsible children. And the children, they should remember that they are the future of India. They should be proud to be an Indian and proud to be contributing. Each of us should be proud to be contributing in the building up of our nation. Then all of us can stand in front of everyone and say, I'm an Indian, with a lot of pride. As we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day of our nation, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. God bless all of us. God bless our country. Thank you.
Words of wisdom. Once again, go to this country which gives us all the resources we need so that we can live happily. May the flag of our nation always fly high and may our heart always fill with pride. Be grateful for the freedom you have that comes at a great cost. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू।